Next page, next topic. This was a good one. Paste text without formatting. Using my table of context, I'm on page 7. Page 7. When you go to a particular document, like Pages, this is how you got this document. I made a lot of screenshots and bubbles and whatever. I don't really care to talk about it. It's a whole nother program. Ella, I know you want to learn how to use Pages. If you've used word processing before, this is relatively simple compared to Microsoft Word. Trust me on that. Word has stuff buried. There's a little bit of learning curve, of course, whenever you go from a standard transmission to an automatic transmission in a car. The principles are the same, just a different configuration. So here's an example. I'm going to select this sentence and I'm going to copy it. Command C. And I want to put it here. So if I do Command V, I just changed everything. I'm going to undo. I'm going to go to a clean page down here. Command V. Looks like I picked up the graphic by accident. My apologies. Try that again. Select this and we'll do Command C. Go to an empty area down here and Command V. That's what I wanted. Command V takes exactly what you captured, but maybe I don't want that to be bolded. That's what you see on that page. Paste text without using the formatting. No bold. Go up to Edit, Paste and match the style. The style is the name of the way the text looks. When you look at the word formatting, you're looking at something right here called the body. The body. If you look at another part of the document here in word processing of Pages, when I click on a heading, it's called small caps. If you look at something in red, I'm not sure where something it is right there, it has a name, body, command key. So this is word processing 101. It's not for everybody. If you're doing documentation like you might be doing, and I know, Ella, you mentioned this, you would want to take Pages with me. It'll be a separate course. It's not for everybody. It'll be a couple weeks in a row. It's not a 2-hour gig. Trust me. Okay? The key point to walk away with is we selected something. We'll do it again. And you know you can do edit, copy, go down to where you want to paste it. Come on down here, make some room, and just go edit, paste, and match style. You do not have to remember all these shortcut keys. They're overwhelming. Use the menus. And there you go. Next on our hit parade here.